Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events and honoring the unsung heroes, professional bodies and organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. Did you know plant health is crucial for our survival? Please, stay tuned till the end as we uncover the surprising ways plant health impacts our lives. Now today's celebration. International Day of Plant Health theme. Nurturing life. The vital role of plant health in our world. On this International Day of Plant Health, we celebrate the essential role that plant health plays in sustaining the environment, supporting economies, and feeding the world. Plants are the foundation of life on Earth, providing oxygen, food, medicine, and raw materials. Healthy plants contribute to biodiversity, stabilize ecosystems, and protect soil, water, and air quality. Plant health is also key to food security and sustainable agriculture, which are crucial for building strong, resilient communities. As we mark this important day, we acknowledge the tremendous responsibility we have to protect the health of our plants for the benefit of current and future generations. In a world increasingly affected by climate change, pollution, and habitat loss, the need for plant health has never been more urgent. The pests, diseases, and environmental challenges that threaten plant health can have far-reaching consequences for food production, livelihoods, and the environment. International Day of Plant Health is a call to action to safeguard plant diversity, improve agricultural practices, and promote sustainable development. Through conservation efforts, research, and responsible farming, we can ensure that plants continue to thrive, contributing to the well-being of all living things. The importance of plant health. Building resilient communities and economies. Just a quick break. Please consider subscribing to our channel and turn on notification to get updates on upcoming global events. Subscription is free. After watching, kindly like, comment and share. Welcome back. The impact of plant health reaches far beyond agriculture. It influences entire communities and economies. As an organic farmer in Zambia, Samuel explains how plant health has transformed his livelihood. I used to struggle with pests and diseases destroying my crops, but after receiving guidance from plant health experts, my yields have increased, Samuel says. They taught me how to implement sustainable farming practices, like crop rotation and using natural pesticides, to protect my crops. Today, I'm able to sell more at the market, support my family, and contribute to my community's food security. Samuel's success is a testament to how plant health interventions can empower farmers, boost productivity, and strengthen local economies. In India, Priya, a small-scale vegetable grower, shares how plant health support helped her improve her farming practices. Before I learned about plant health, my crops would often fail due to poor soil and lack of pest control. But after I worked with experts to improve my soil management and plant care, my harvests became healthier, and I was able to increase my income, she says. Now, I'm not only able to feed my family, but I also sell my produce to local markets. I feel empowered knowing that I am part of a sustainable system that benefits the environment as well as my community. Priya's journey underscores the importance of plant health education in helping farmers adopt more sustainable and productive farming techniques. To all who champion plant health, your efforts matter. Thank you to all the scientists, farmers, educators, environmentalists, and community leaders who work tirelessly to ensure that plant health is prioritized in every part of the world. Your commitment to sustainable farming practices, conservation, and plant protection is essential to the well-being of our planet. You are helping to build resilient communities, ensure food security, and protect ecosystems. Through your hard work and dedication, you are ensuring a healthier and more sustainable future for all. The world is a better place because of your efforts, and we stand with you in this vital mission. If you have yet to explore the importance of plant health, now is the time to take action. Whether you are a farmer, an environmental enthusiast, or someone interested in sustainability, engaging with plant health services can make a significant difference. Learning about plant care, sustainable farming practices, and how to protect plants from diseases and pests not only benefits your immediate environment but also contributes to the global effort to secure food, protect biodiversity, and combat climate change. Every small action you take in support of plant health will have a positive ripple effect on the world around you. Together, we can nurture the world's plants and create a sustainable future for generations to come. Happy International Day of Plant Health. Let's raise our glasses to toast and celebrate the unsung heroes of plant health. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogba Terre. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next. The 15th of May, International Day of Families. The 16th of May, International Day of Living Together in PEACE, International Day of Light. The 17th of May, World Telecommunications and Information Society Day. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.